Hello? What's this? Hello? Hello? Oh, it's such a shame what just happened to me. I've never been so unlucky in my entire life. Everybody thought things would go a very good way for me. But now I'm here on the ground and I'm watching all of the people create a new society in front of me, and my plane is burning. It's with so much work to make the plane, and the plane's on fire. Oh no, the blimp's on fire too. The blimp is flaming, and the plane is flaming. And here I lie in the square, no one to care, no one to bother me with help. I am ambulatory, and I require assistance, as my life's blood pours from my nose into the floor, forming a pool. I was one of the first pilots of a female kind. I grew my hair long for flight school. 45 inches it lay to the ground. On Fridays the ponytail would be in play, and Saturday braids. My mother used to say, "Amelia, you've been working all week to become a pilot, and the reward is I will braid your hair." That is the cough of a dyer. That's a different kind of cough. Can we even believe the technological reaches our society has become within the grasp of finding? No one would ever say the Japanese should not have won the war. No one would ever say that. No one would ever say that. I just noticed my hand as though my hand fell off. Oh, it's terrible, but it's true, my hand fell off. My plane has become many different parts, and they're everywhere. The plane is in France. Parts of the plane landed inside of an ocean. And the plane is also in America, and also it's in South America too. When I flew over the country of South America, I thought many a different kind of thought than a lot of people normally think. One of the things I was thinking was that it would be quite a fun time if I could disembark at one of the ports and enjoy a glass of brandy at one of the bars inside of El Salvador. I've never heard a bad word spoken of the country of El Salvador, where they say the men all wear suits Monday to Sunday, and the women, they wear golden dresses, and they stand not on the floor, but instead on two little gecko lizards, acting as undershoes to be worn below the shoes so that their feet don't ever touch the ground. The woman is a source of worship within the country borders of El Salvador. And I look now and I see nothing but pain in this capitalist society that has done nothing to help me get ahead as a woman. We will never know what might have happened had the Japanese not been the winners of the Second World War too. But I'll tell you this much, it would not have been nice. There would have been a lot more blood than you see right now pooling. No one's ever explained to me why the skin for our elbow is the way it is. Like a putty. Like a beautiful putty. How come they didn't make putty that was the color of all of the different races in the world? They only made the beige putty. It does make you think. And it's, why did they call it silly putty? The blimp is in trouble and I would like to jump back on it and rescue the chimps. I spent many days in Africa studying the gorillas and the chimps and their behavior. And the fun fact was the idea that once every year on Thanksgiving they would have a swap of the mates, and all of the different chimps would get to taste the sex of another chimp. But this is about more than just chimps. This is about the freedom for me to get back inside of a dirigible. For 20 years ago, I saw that dirigible float to the top of the sky. And you would never know just why it got to be the thing that it was. But in those days, everyone had respect for it, because we all knew that a lot of work had gone on to creating it. And you didn't have a lot of the gamers. That you have today. And so, it's with a heavy heart that I've got to just share with you a lot of the tips on the game Mega Man 2, the second in the series of the game Mega Man or Capcom. And so, the order that you need to beat them in, you have to start with Woodman or Metal Man. Then you want to move on to Airman, and then Crash Man, and then Quick Man, and then Flash Man. And then you go and you defeat Dr. Willie. I feel God calling me now, and I don't like it. No one bit, because it's a collect call. Cheap bastard.